Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 2% in the last session, after rising as much as 3.6% during the session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Brent and US crude oil futures fell as markets saw reduced risk of a wider war in the Middle East, with Iran yet to act on threats to retaliate on Israel for the assassination of a Hamas official in Tehran. The yen remained weak for a second straight day, and the dollar softened against the rest of its peers in calmer trading, as markets await US inflation data that could indicate the outlook for Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. The Canadian cryptocurrency trading platform EasyBTC and its founder, David Smiley, defrauded customers by misappropriating approximately $9.5 million of their cryptocurrency investments and using the funds for gambling.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Consumer Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT, the UK's Consumer Price Index at 6 GMT, Japan's Gross Domestic Product at 23:50 GMT. The Eurozone's industrial production will be released at 9 GMT, Japan's Gross Domestic Product annualized at 23:50 GMT, the Eurozone's employment change at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.